Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Polk County and Central Florida, Northeastern Hillsborough County and West Central Florida until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Medulla, over 7 miles southeast of Plant City, moving north at 15 miles an hour.
Scared the shit out of me.
16 miles an hour, wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Radar indicated.
Source, radar indicated.
Expects damage to
Impacts,
homes.
expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lakeland, Plant City, Mulberry, Lakeland Linder Airport, Medulla, Gibsonia, Plant City Airport, Winston, Combee Settlement, and Crystal Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Hillsborough and Polk.
Oh, shit. Here comes KC-38.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Polk County and Central Florida, Northeastern Hillsborough County and West Central Florida until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Medulla, over 7 miles southeast of Plant City, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lakeland, Plant City, Mulberry, Lakeland Linder Airport, Medulla, Gibsonia, Plant City Airport, Winston, Combee Settlement, and Crystal Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hillsborough, Florida.
Ah, scared me really bad.
Current time is 4:12 p.m.
Not even in a marginal, and then here goes my weather station just detecting a lightning strike. Anyways, I was playing Euro Truck Simulator too, so that kind of sucks. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.